Ang Survive, Luis Capaldi, chords. Tatlo ang pag-aaralan yung pattern sa verse, pattern sa pre-chorus, at saka sa chorus. Dali lang ito, merong G. So sa verse, ang pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D. 2, 3, 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C. 2, 3, 4. Ganon. How long till it feels, diba? Like the walls finally starting to heal. So, ganun lang ang lipatan. 4 counts. And then, pre-chorus, mag-uumpisa sa E minor, katipa. Most nights of fear, lipat. 4 counts ulit. C. I'm not enough. G. D. Gets mo? Again. E minor. Most nights of fear. C. I'm not enough. G. I had my share of D. And I can't get up. Okay? Ito. E minor. But when hope is lost. And then C. Nagkamandan. Okay? Hindi G. Naging tatlong chords na lang. E minor, C, D. Na matagal. Hindi. So, again. E minor. But when hope is lost. C. Nagkamandan. D. 2, 3, 4. I swear to God. Gets? So, naging 8 ang D. Okay? Chorus na tayo. So, ayun. Sa D. I swear to God I'll survive. Oh, G na tayo. G. Ito, naging matagal ang mga chords. 8 counts. I swear to God I'll survive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. 3, 4, 5. Get up and try. E minor. If it's elastic to I do. C. Okay. I got something to give. G ulit. Though it hurts sometimes. D. I'm gonna get up and leave. E minor. Until the day that I die. C. Ito. 4 lang ang C. Kasi, yung susunod na 4, C minor. So, until the day that I die. C. 2, 3, 4, C minor. I swear to God I survive. And then G. Tigil sa G. And then, ayun ulit. Verse na ulit. How long till you know? Gets? So, yun. Yun ang tatlong patterns. Oh, yeah.